What is going on, Ape Nation? So I've got some more good news to deliver today, and I happily will deliver it. But before I do need you guys to go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And of course, if you are new here, if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I don't know what in the hell you're waiting for, but I drop content just like this every single day. And now to get into the video, we're going to talk about AMC stock fundamentals. No, we're not. We're going to be talking about the technicals very quickly, very briefly. And the point that I need to make is that on last Thursday, I told you guys about a resistance level that we needed to reach in order for AMC stock to break out and, bring us that MOASS that we've all been waiting for. Now, this will take some time, as I explained in the last video. I think I even did an update to that video on Sunday. So today, I want to say that, hey, we actually reached those levels today, okay? Just Monday, and already we've broken that level. So the level that we were looking at was $43.33. Now today, we already have surpassed that level. We hit, or AMC hit, $43.43. Now, we did not hold above that level. Actually, at the time of recording right now, AMC stock is only trading at $43, but that's perfectly okay because I did not want to see this thing happen too fast. Anytime you've got something like this happening too fast, you see people taking profits, you see bigger players taking profits because they think that the stock is going to come down. So we don't want to see this happen fast. We want to see consolidation. That's healthy. That's exactly how we're going to see this play out, or in my opinion, is we're going to see some consolidation, then we're going to see AMC stock go above those levels, hold there. But when I say above those levels, I mean AMC needs to close above those levels. So at the time of recording, we've got about an hour and 18 minutes left before the market closes. So I will report back to you guys after that and let you know where we close and what that means for AMC stock. But as of now, I would say that we're definitely on the right path. It's exactly the way that it should be going, in my opinion, or at least this is exactly how I like to see the stock move. So right now we're still good, nothing to panic about. Keep holding if you believe in the company. If you like the stock, keep holding because there's nothing to be afraid of. We're actually doing exactly what we are supposed to be doing in order to reach this MOASS. Now, should we retreat and maybe break below some support levels, then that's going to be a topic for another video. But for now, we're going on the right path, and that's exactly what I wanted to report to you guys today. So that's all I had for this video, guys, but I will see you guys soon, probably in about 2 hours. So be on the lookout for that. Don't forget to smash that like button if you haven't already, and please go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell if you're not subscribed, and stay tuned for the end screen where you can check out some YouTube recommendations from my channel.